My first impression, I love the building. First of all, I love how open it is. This is one of the best buildings on campus if you need a little bit of sunlight in your life. It's a lot of open areas to go out and study and be able to collaborate.
The building has so many things that help me study all the time, and it's just jaw-dropping when you go in. You see all the study spaces here on the side, and it's just such a great building.
I think the building is super cool. I mean, just from the outside, looking in, it really fits in the campus because we have that same Bradley limestone that is on all the other buildings, but you can really tell that it's a gym. As soon as you walk in here, you're going to be wowed with just all the technology that's available to you.
I had my first class in this building. I walked in, I was like, oh my goodness, like this is insane. I really like the way it's laid out. You can see the business analytics lab and the stock ticker right above that. And then this room where we're in right now, the Barton Makerspace, where you can really see the engineering side of things and the 3D printers like constantly running. So I love that that's the first two things you see when you walk inside the lab.
The best feature for business students to use is definitely the technology, just because you're able to have access to that software that you might not on your PC, Mac, whatever laptop that you're using.
It's just really impressive how much more equipment we have that students can use and really get that hands-on experience.
The faculty members want you in here. They want you having those hands-on experiences.
Make sure that you're utilizing all of the resources that are here, because we have a lot of great opportunities within this building. For example, we have the makerspace downstairs, so you can do things like 3D printing, so utilize the space, utilize those tools.
Get yourself into this building, make it like your second home, because it's a great space to like get your homework done, make some friends, and collaborate with them.
The thing I love most about this building is the fact that it is built for collaboration. So the fact that you can meet up with anybody, anywhere, and just be able to work on a number of different projects.
Engineers, we need to understand how the business side of things work so we can engineer our products accordingly to make them marketable. And vice versa, you know, the business kids need to understand how a part is engineered so they can better market it. So I think Bradley has done a really great job of making sure that there's been that marriage between the two departments and making sure that the students understand that as well so that we can be successful moving on in our careers. Bradley was really thinking about the future and moving forward, and they didn't want just to make sure that we were covered for 2020, 2021. They wanted to make sure that we were covered for years to come as well.